This video demonstrates how to configure Exchange Online Connectors in Sigsync. Sigsync supports three modes of signatures: server-side mode signature, client-side mode signature, mixed mode signature. For server-side mode signature, to manage email flow and to set inbound and outbound connectors and rules, it is necessary to set up Exchange Online Connectors. There are three main steps involved in connector configuration. The first step is to authenticate using your Office 365 Global Admin account. The second step is primarily called setting sender scope, wherein you will decide a single or group of senders to whom you want the email signatures to be allowed. The third step is to set inbound and outbound connectors rules. Let's see the initial step, that is authentication. Click the Manage Signatures tab from Sigsync dashboard. Click Configure Connectors. Select Server-Side Signatures. Click the Configure Connectors button. Read the on-screen instructions in the configuration wizard and click Next. Copy the generated authorization code and click Authorize button. Paste the copied code and click Next button. Use your Office 365 Global Admin account for authentication. You are done with the authentication. Close this Microsoft sign-in window when it prompts. Let's see the second step, that is set sender scope. The second step is primarily known as setting sender scope, wherein you will decide a single or group of senders to whom you want the email signatures to be allowed. That is, you can allow email signatures for all users in your Active Directory or to a group of specific users only. You can select one or more groups. Let's see how to allow signatures only to a specific Active Directory group. Here you can find multiple groups from your Active Directory are displayed, and you can select one or more groups from the drop-down list. After selecting the required group, click the Add to List button to add the selected group to the list. You can remove the groups from the list by using X button. Click Next to proceed. Let's see the third and the final step to configure Exchange Online Connectors. This step involves the configuration of inbound and outbound connectors and rules. Click the Configure Connectors button. Connector configuration may take a couple of minutes or more to set up the inbound and outbound connectors and rules. Wait for its completion. Exchange Online Connectors configuration is successfully completed. You're all set to proceed for the next step. Click Add SPF record to add Sigsync domain to your SPF record. Sign up with Sigsync.com.